quickly will my home sell is one of the most common questions sellers ask. I get it. Understanding the market climate is a key to knowing how fast your home might sell. After being involved in over 1,000 transactions here in Anne Arundel County, I've learned that the answer depends on the balance between supply and demand. I'm Bonnie Fleshman from Douglas Realty, and I can tell you how quickly your home in Pasadena 21122 or Severna Park 21146 sells depends on the current market conditions. In a hot market with limited inventory, meaning more buyers than homes available, your property could sell in just a few days. However, I recommend giving it enough time for a proper marketing. When homes sell in just one day, sellers often leave some money on the table by not receiving multiple offers or the best possible terms. Right now, with the economic uncertainty, we might approach things a little bit differently. Sometimes reviewing offers as they come in makes more sense. But ultimately, the market climate will determine the best strategy. When there are more homes on the market than buyers, the selling process can take longer. When we meet, we'll discuss the ideal timing for your sale. A key factor we'll analyze is the absorption rate. The rate at which homes sell in a given market over a specific time is calculated by dividing the average number of monthly sales by the total number of available homes. In a seller's market, the absorption rate is above 20%, and a buyer's market, the absorption rate is below 15%. Personally, I think those benchmarks are broad. Today's market, if a home stays on the market more than 20 days, it's usually a sign that it's overpriced. Let's make sure you're positioned for success. I'm Bonnie Fleshman with Douglas Realty. Let's make it the best move of your life.